All right, everyone, a quick update on Pangolin here. So from the last Pangolin updates, I have adjusted the whole chart. So we're going to get some different prices to watch today. I did that because I wanted to get a clearer picture, if you will, to see what we need to break over for a breakout here, which you can see now that is going to be this 618 here at 57. You can clearly see that it's getting stuck here every time it comes up here in this accumulation here. And if you also notice on the chart, we are repeating history here. The same exact move up, volume went down to almost nothing, and we've been just accumulating here. This is the same thing we did back here. Volume came in, the price went up, the price stopped and accumulated, and that volume declined here. So that's exactly what we want to see inside this pattern once again. And it looks like we're trying to push through right now this 57 cent area at this 618. So over the next day, this has 1 day and 5 hours left on it. Once this 3-day candle gets a close over this, which it has not for a very long time, that's when you're going to know we're finally going to have a breakout here to the upside. And it's probably going to shoot us straight up like it did back here and here through or right to the 786 here, as you can see, which is all the way up at $1.50 almost. And that is a 160% move from today. So not bad here for Pangolin once it finally gets going here. And also notice, if I did not mention this, the 3-day stock RSI, as you can see here, is in the same exact spot it was back here right before it broke out of that pattern here. So it looks like it's about to repeat history here and have a huge spike to the upside here. And we'll see what happens here, but it looks good. As long as you're over 57, I would expect that breakout at any moment for a move up once you break through and break out of this pattern here. And if for some reason you come back down, we could draw a tiny fib on the chart, but in this accumulation, you really don't want to play around with a Fibonacci on here. I would just simply say, if you do not get over 57, look for this thing to bounce back down, back toward the line here that you can see it is holding as support almost every time it comes down. One time it did wick down below it to that 32 level, but ultimately, if we get stuck here, I would look for this thing to probably come back down about 30% here. Give you another chance to buy in on PNG down here, because like I said, at some point the length and everything on the chart here tells us that it's about to blow and start going up. So just keep an eye on all that, if that makes any sense. So comment down below, what do you think about PNG here? Do you think it's about to repeat history and it's about to move, or do you think we're going to have a pullback here and get stuck at 57 and drop 30% and then go up sometime in the future here? Which we'll take either one here. If it comes back down, so be it. We'll get a 30% discount, if not more, on PNG here to load up on our position. Now, with that being said, you can see that looking for a potential target, a very conservative target, I would say, as you can see here, is all the way up to the 1272 here. You're looking at about a 40x from this breakout over the 618, and that would give PNG about a $5 billion market cap, up to about $23 here. And if you come back up to the high only at 5, you're looking at about a $1 billion market cap. So comment down below, what do you think the market cap is going to be for PNG here? I think it's going to be a really good play. A lot of people are sleeping on this one, but there is also a lot of people talking about it now. So it is getting to where it is getting known. So I think it's going to go higher than most people expect here. So my conservative target, of course, is that $5 billion, $23 40x. It may go way higher than that. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.